zuhören.
Jetzt hört ihr mal zu.
Kinder brauchen jemand, der da ist und sich kümmert.
I have to work today. You
Aber
know,
ganz
my
viele
day
haben gar
off.
keine. Die leben alleine auf der
Fucking works
Straße.
anymore.
Oder sogar auf einer Müllkippe. Das ist so krass, das macht mich echt wütend. Sind die euch etwa egal, nur weil
Because no one wants to make like $9 an hour to get yelled at for pizzas.
Eine Aktion der SOS Kinderdörfer. Wir geben Kindern ein Zuhause und eine Stimme. Hörst du sie? SOS Kinderdörfer.
Remember, he's in Washington State, so.
Okay, 15 an hour to make pizzas and get yelled at. My bad.
There you go.
I don't make pizzas. And I don't yell at. And I make more than that also.
Dass die Toilette am Esstisch steht, ist vielleicht nicht ganz ideal.
On average.
Und okay, bei einer Deckenhöhe von knapp 1,80 ist nichts mit aufrecht
I
stehen.
think you're reading
Aber
way
hey,
too much into the
man
joke.
kann halt nicht alles haben.
Yep.
Für 1400 Euro. Kalt.
Mit Radio erreichen Sie immer die Richtigen.
Fucking Ash and Hollow.
Radio geht ins Ohr, bleibt im Kopf.
Yeah, I'm like, ooh, I want to stand in the red. Purple
Mehr
tag.
über unser Radio und unser Team sowie Neuigkeiten aus der Musikszene erfahren? Dann folge uns in den sozialen Netzwerken. Unser Team freut sich auf dein Like bei Facebook.
I do like the windrunner mechanic. It's so cool.
Schon den
It's like
passenden Helm zu ihrem
completely
Motorrad.
random pattern.
Auf der Suche nach einem neuen Motorradhelm.
I like the fact that she's narcissistic enough that she named the attack after herself.
Große Auswahl verschiedener Modelle und Farben von
Yeah.
namhaften Herstellern.
I'm sure that was her choice, yeah.
Und holen Sie sich Ihren Wunsch.
It was the interns.
Canonically, it was.
Helm.center.
I named the show on the windrunner.
Her sister was like, what the fuck?
Maybe she named it after her bow. I guess she has a
Her
different
bow is also named Sylvanas?
Yeah.
It's just, what's my name?
I guess it's not there's nothing to see for windrunner, so it'll be her. Push it before the chains go. Ah. Double chain. Double.
Oh, it's gonna feel real good.
Watch your chains.
Alright, fucking speed in. Oh my fuck, why did it connect me that one?
I got one.
I don't know if I did too, but
I don't know. It's died. It's just like there was one right next to me and it connected me one like across the room and then I was gonna charge.
I mean, they try to get you one kind of a little bit away from you, so you have a little bit of time.
I was nowhere near.
It's
There were,
just
like,
Sylvanas
6
trying to
of
kill
them.
his face, that's all.
trying to kill all of us and done a really poor job of it.
She never misses.
Did she cock out?
Now she's green arrow. Much worse. It's hard to get worse than Hawkeye.
But he misses, so.
You are fucking kidding me.
We can't get you up either until next phase.
This game fucking sucks.
Oh. Was it the speed boost that fucked you up?
The bridge was formed, I ran through it, fell through the crack at the very fucking beginning. That's some copium, the speed boost, copium. It was formed copium.
Stack up. Stack again. Boss moved.
Put the large damage numbers. Yeah.
Okay, she isn't taking damage anymore. Dodge these waves.
Oh, judge her for this? Oh. No. And Veil. Judge. Whatever.
Take the Goliath back.
Yeah, I was just about to.
Spell.
I already got it. I'm saving my revival for that.
Waves in town.
No, we need revivals for the third platform, Bren.
Should be okay.
Going over this.
3-minute cooldown, it'll be right.
We're gonna be playing on the last rune, by the way.
Wait,
Let
I'm
this
the-
like really
oh,
go.
that's it. Summoner? Back up.
Stack on summoner.
I'm gonna Veil in 2 seconds. Oh, wait. That.
Those are some real early runs.
Move forward. What's gonna happen? Wait, and the runes have 10 seconds. Yeah. Defensive.
Hit that white out.
Circle out, circle out.
Summon ego. Okay.
My summoner's dead.
Gonna dodge the wave.
Wave's
so
going
we're gonna
out.
Veil right after.
Stack after that. If you don't have the
Veil?
circles.
You can dispel.
Hey,
Oh my god, lolly.
here cuts the breach. Yeah, 6 seconds on a ring.
Bren, what the fuck?
You gotta read. Yeah. Fancy shred removal.
Get ready for the wave.
Fuck is Lolly?
Range, get away.
It's on the platform.
He's ice blocked down there.
Wave, melee, do not get hit by this. Spread out.
No, should be stuck.
Oh,
It just goes all line in this one, I think. The last platform. Whale.
She's not taking damage. The ads can be stunned. Don't waste any cooldowns.
That's
Get Kahuna up. And we're stacking in the middle.
Kercha, can you do it?
Yeah, yeah, no, I got it.
Breaking. Range revival just came on cooldown.
you probably don't need to use it. You know, keep an eye on a brand for this platform. Probably won't need it for the first.
Center.
I won't use mine here.
And she's
Uh,
Fury.
Calling out so he knows that it's safe.
Alright, spread out, ranged. Be on the very edges of the platform.
Thanks.
And melee spread.
Just on there.
Spell Rainbow Tail, please.
Alright, come back together.
Watch the blinds.
Bring it Wailing Arrow and Banshee's Fury at the same time. If you have a personal and you get the Wailing Arrow, that would be the time to use it. As you jump across.
Gonna need to dispel tails.
Tails first. Do not pick up anything yet. Okay, now you can pick them up. Punt, Bran, your second. Galt, your third.
Spell Moose.
Okay, platform's about to get blown.
Alright, dispel Rainbow.
Run. Stack in the middle again. Actually, we need a spread.
Go ahead and taunt her
Range,
again.
free spread. Stay spread. Range, stay spread. Spread out more range. Melee need a place to go.
Yeah. We have a veil right up.
Stop going in.
Veil.
Now stack.
Dodge.
Banshee's Fury is coming up in 5. Get ready to dispel whoever has the debuffs.
Dispel Rainbow Tail, please.
Dispel Moose.
Doing good, guys. Have some arrows.
Tails is first, dodge. Poots your second, and then Nil. Alright, range, go ahead and spread.
Dispel Moose.
Spell Rainbow Tail, please.
Nil needs to spell. Baby Raythan's gotta drop his shit too.
Dispel Moose.
Veil.
Run. Run. As soon as she gets over here, hero.
Take her back again, Tails.
Yep.
Potions, you guys. Everything you can.
Spells.
Got her.
Pulls are coming out next. Get ready to dodge. We're gonna stack up again after this. Okay, stack up. Kercha, then Happy.
I got most of them. Dispel Moose.
Alright, range spread.
I simple flipped again, so you should have
Dispel Rainbow,
Wheel.
please.
Wheel.
Dispel Moose.
Stay spread, range, stay spread. Get to the very edges that you can, ranged.
Brand.
Okay, melee spread.
Dispel Moose.
Veil.
Dispel Rainbow if you can, too.
Banshee's Fury, you gotta get the spells out now.
We're good.
We're good.
Rallying. Oh, we're good.
Got 5 more seconds, then we're going to the next platform.
Still have a revival.
Next
Raising
platform.
2. Go.
Get to
Their
the
arrows are gonna be
symbol.
thrown
Everybody
up.
on symbol unless you have an arrow. Get away from the symbol if you have an arrow.
To the front of the platform. Please.
Oh, that was a bad dispel on Moose. Sorry.
No, it's the revival.
Spread.
Oh, okay.
Alright, Will.
Alright, we got anyone that has a debuff needs to bring him to the corners.
Yep, that's what I'm working on.
Spread.
Dispel Moose.
Sex.
Do you want to pick up these debuffs, Neri, while I
Dispel
got
Moose.
buffs?
Dispel Moose.
Okay,
Dispel
range.
Moose. Dispel Moose.
Range,
Dispel
start
Kirby.
spreading.
Dispel Poots, please.
Dispel
Poots.
Spread.
Kirby, Indra.
Spread out. Oh, we got so many of those this time.
We got 3%, please.
Alright.
Focus.
Put
Get it.
everything you can into it.
We're pretty much done.
Use
Just
the
kill
potion. Use it now.
Everyone get away from the arrows.
Away from the arrows here.
Top personals, 1%.
I have our tails. You can collect that shit if you need to.
Spread out just a little bit.
Dispel Tails, please.
Come on, die.
Kill her. We can't run.
We got her to 49. When does she die?
Oh my god.
Let's go, guys. Holy shit.
It does not get any closer than that crap.
49.7%, by the way.
2 seconds left on the cast when she died.
I think Necrolord would have won that if it went off. Because we would have like stayed alive, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Maybe.
Is she animation? For
Ugh.
whatever reason
I
in
get
there?
a res.
This game fucking
Oh,
I'm working on
nice.
it.
Happy.
Thank you. I'm not pulling a kahuna.
This game fucking sucks.
Yo, Brandon, I got shoulders.